Okay, here's how we do this question. So we have two different cylindrical containers, and it says when the containers are full of milk, what's the ratio in the amount in container 1 to the amount in container 2? So since we're talking about amounts of liquids in a cylinder, I think we're talking about volume here. So let's compare the volume of container 1 with container two's volume of milk. So the volume of a cylinder is the area of the base times the height. So pi r squared times h. So we got 3.14 times radius squared times the height. And container 2, we have the same thing, pi r squared times height. So pi times the radius squared times the height. So this one, container 1 would equal about 141.37 centimeters cubed. And container 2, sorry, I'm just calculating, pi times 36 times 15. Whew, it's big. 1,696.46 centimeters cubed. Okay, so we found the volume in container 1 and container 2. Now we want to know when they're full, okay, so that's how much milk they would have. What's the ratio? Okay, so we want to know, like, is there double the amount in container 2, or what is the ratio? So since it's kind of like the same thing as unit rate, let's divide them by each other, because that will then tell us the ratio of container 2 to container 1. So if we take that divided by 141.37, we get roughly 12. So that's like saying 12 to 1. So container 2 to container 1. So there's 12 times the amount of milk in container 2 than there is in container 1. And we could just verify that by looking at container 1, 141.37, multiplying that by 12, 141.37, and we get roughly 1696.46. So awesome. So D is the correct answer.